Hello everyone. First of all, let me say how happy I am to be here with you today. Do you know why? Because I see a group of people who are brave, determined, and ready to change their lives. That's right, by learning English, you're not just learning a new language. You're opening the door to new opportunities, new friendships, and a brighter future. I know learning English isn't always easy. Sometimes, you may feel tired or frustrated. You might wonder, will I ever truly speak English fluently? Let me tell you something important. Yes, you can, and yes, you will. You're already on the right path. Every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Today, I want to remind you why learning English is so important, why you should never give up, and how you can stay motivated on this exciting journey. Why learning English matters. English is more than just a language, it's a bridge. It connects people, ideas, and cultures. Did you know that over 1.5 billion people speak English? That's nearly 20% of the world's population. English is spoken in more than 70 countries and is the official language of many international organizations. If you dream of traveling, working, or studying abroad, English is your key. It's the language of airports, hotels, and restaurants. Imagine visiting New York, London, or Sydney and confidently asking for directions, ordering food, or making friends. Doesn't that sound exciting? But English isn't just about travel. It's also the language of business. Many companies need employees who can speak English. By learning English, you make yourself more valuable to employers, unlock better job opportunities, and build a successful career. And let's not forget education. Many of the world's top universities and online courses use English. When you understand English, you can access a wealth of knowledge, read important books, watch educational videos, and learn new skills. The possibilities are endless. The challenges of learning English. Let's be honest, learning English can be challenging. Maybe you feel nervous when speaking, struggle to understand fast conversations, or forget words and feel embarrassed. Let me share a secret, everyone feels that way at some point, even fluent English speakers did when they were learning. You've probably heard the saying, practice makes perfect. It's true. The more you practice, the better you'll become. But here's another secret, you don't need to be perfect. No one speaks any language perfectly, not even native speakers. What matters is that you try, communicate, and never give up. Think of learning English as planting a tree. At first, you plant a tiny seed. It needs water, sunlight, and care to grow. Progress might be slow at first, but little by little, the tree grows taller and stronger. One day, it provides shade and fruit. Learning English works the same way. It takes time, but the results are worth it. How to stay motivated. So, how can you stay motivated when the journey feels long or difficult? Here are 5 tips to keep you going. 1. Remember your why. Why are you learning English? Maybe it's to travel, get a better job, or connect with people from different countries. Whatever your reason, write it down. Put it somewhere you can see every day. When you feel tired, look at it, it will remind you of your goal. 2. Make learning fun. Learning English doesn't have to be boring. Watch movies or TV shows in English. Listen to English songs and sing along. Play word games or use apps to learn vocabulary. When you enjoy the process, you learn faster. 3. Practice every day. You don't need to study for hours. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a difference. Read a short story, listen to a podcast, or write a diary entry in English. The more you use English, the more natural it will feel. 4. Don't be afraid to speak. Many people feel shy or scared to speak English because they're afraid of making mistakes. But mistakes are a part of learning, they help you improve. Speak with friends, classmates, or even yourself in the mirror. Remember, confidence grows with practice. 5. Celebrate small wins. Learning a language is a big journey made up of small steps. Celebrate your progress. Did you learn 10 new words this week? Amazing! Did you understand a song in English? Fantastic! These small victories keep you moving forward. Believe in yourself. The most important thing I want to tell you today is this: believe in yourself. You can learn English. You are smart, capable, and hardworking. Every time you study, every time you practice, you're improving. Think about where you started. Maybe you knew only a few words, and now you can have simple conversations. Maybe you couldn't read an English sentence, and now you can understand articles or books. You're growing every day, even if you don't always see it. Learning a language is like climbing a mountain. Some days are easy, and you feel strong. Other days are tough, and you feel tired. But if you keep climbing step by step, you'll reach the top. When you look back, you'll be amazed at how far you've come. A bright future awaits. Imagine your future self. Picture the day when you can speak English fluently. Maybe you're traveling the world, meeting new people, and making lifelong friends. Maybe you've landed your dream job, working in a big company, or running your own business. Perhaps you're reading books, watching movies, or studying new subjects, all in English. That future is waiting for you, and every step you take today brings you closer to it. Finally, remember that you're not alone. Millions of people worldwide are learning English, facing the same challenges, and sharing the same dreams. You're part of a global community of learners. If you ever feel like giving up, remember that there are people cheering for you, your teachers, your friends, and even people you haven't met yet. I'm cheering for you too. So, my friends, keep going. Keep learning, practicing, and believing in yourself. You're doing something incredible. You're opening doors to new opportunities and creating a brighter future for yourself. Every word you learn, every sentence you speak, and every mistake you make is a step forward. You're stronger and smarter than you think. One day, you'll look back and say, I did it. I learned English. And on that day, you'll feel so proud. Thank you for listening. Keep shining, keep learning, and never give up. Your future is bright, and you are unstoppable. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to catch our next one. Click here to watch and keep improving your English skills.